All right, I'm in Southern California and I'm gonna show you how to scan the deal jacket at a multi-store dealer group. So I'm gonna select the dealer and then I'm gonna select deal jackets. I've loaded up a deal jacket. Now you're gonna click scan deal jacket. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan 80 pages a minute. We're gonna scan front and back. We're also checking to see that sheets are not stuck together, and if they are, we'll prompt the user to feed them properly. So at this point, the scanning is being done. We turned all these documents into a PDF, and we've left a long contract on the side to scan at the very end. So we're just gonna wait for this to complete. We're almost done. And now, I'm just gonna pick this long contract and load it on the scanner. Just like this. Click on scan other items. And this is gonna scan the whole contract, okay? We're done. At this point, we're asking the user to input the deal number. In this case, deal number is 135923. We're asking for the stock number, which is J2959979. Click add. This creates a PDF, adds it to the system. We're integrated with the DMS, so we're checking that you put in the right stock number and the right deal number. So now I'm gonna show you how to pull up the deal jacket, and Melissa here is gonna help me, and you're gonna click on the deal jacket icon on your screen, plug in here. And you select the dealer, and now type in the deal number. Deal number comes up, click on the deal, and now you can download the entire PDF that was just scanned. And you have it's gonna come up on the right hand side. There you go, there it is. And you can see the whole contents of the deal jacket, and if you scroll down, you'll see the contracts. There you go. The entire contract, front and back. And that is it.